YouTube, what's good, y'all? I'm back with another video, you feel me? If you're new to the channel, go ahead and leave a like, comment, and subscribe, you feel me? And enjoy. I'm about to give y'all a house tour real quick of the Goodfellas Airbnb. All right, and this is how it's looking. All right, we at the door right now. Let me. What's goody? What's goody? What's goody? My boy Juice. Room number 1. Fire. Now you got this room right here. It's like the master room. My brother's staying in this room. Got this room right here in the back. My boy Juice staying in this room. Got nice and clean. Nature, y'all. Look at that shit. Sometimes, you feel me, you gotta, you really gotta experience, man. Nice little pool, you feel me? Yeah, I'm out here right now, you know what I mean? Goodfellas had flew me out with them, you know, to create some more content for you guys. So, yeah, I know y'all remember the Colombia video. Oh shit, look, we got some wildlife up there. Hold on. Look at that, y'all. I know y'all see that. Hold on. Oh shit. Panamá. Feel me? Crazy, y'all. Can't even believe this shit. Got the neighbors over there. We were just talking to the neighbors earlier. You feel me? I'm gonna have some footage of that. You know, when we was talking to the neighbors and shit. He was 21 years old. Real cool. You feel me? He knew English. You feel me? He's chilling over there right now. You feel me? And over here. This right here. And you got the entrance all right here and shit. So far, so good. Yeah, I'm about to show y'all this room right here, though. They got a gym in here. Like, what? The gym in the crib? And this is the master room right here. This the king room right here. Shit. Jacuzzi. Out here getting content done, you feel me? Working, you feel me? We out here working. We out here grinding, you feel me? We out here getting to it, you feel me? So, if y'all new to the channel, you feel me? Leave a like, comment, and subscribe, you feel me? Lock in, cause I'm locked in, you feel me? Are you locked in? Cause if I'm locked in, I need y'all to be locked in too, alright? I can't be doing this alone, you feel me? I know y'all watching. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's take off, you feel me? Let's take off to the sky, you feel me? Let's go up. Let's go as far as we can, you feel me? Let's grind, let's keep elevating. That's all we want to do is elevate. Elevate, 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 elevate. That's it. Feel me? So I hope everybody's having a blessed 2022 January start of their year. I hope they're having a great start of the year. I hope everybody is grinding. I hope everybody is still getting to it, you feel me? I hope everybody is reaching their goals. And I hope everybody's working, you know what I mean? Like, you gotta work. In order to get this shit done, you gotta work. And consistency is what's gonna separate you from anybody. Consistency is really the main key to believing in yourself, you feel me? Like, consistency is really showing yourself your worth, you know what I mean? Like, your heart, by putting in your hard work. Because if you put in your hard work, all that's gonna do is elevate you. all that's gonna do is elevate you in life. So why wouldn't you go that route? You feel me? Why wouldn't we go that route? Why wouldn't we go that route? You feel me? So, yeah. Sir, we got our house guy. Oh my, say what's up to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog on camera. What's up, man? Yeah, it's my man, you feel me? Oh my. He the house guy, you know, he'll be out here working, you know, getting us right, making sure we got beers and stuff like that, you know what I mean? He pulled up with the beers, we done drank a couple. This one right here, though, I ain't finished yet. Tony! That's how the outside looks, y'all. Let's show you how the outside looks. It's the front. When I tell y'all I'm gonna have some more footage, y'all, like of how it looks in the city and shit, man, it's gonna be real organic, real clean, real natural. Like, yo, it's different out here. The air is thick, you feel me? The air is thicker out here, like, the air is thicker, son. Look, they got a dog house right there. It's crazy. You feel me? It's lit out here, I'm not gonna lie, it's lit. It's different. But yeah. When you go up here, that shit right there, yo, this is, so look, you see, I know y'all see this right here. That shit goes from there and then it opens. You see that right there? That shit opens, son. That's how we got in there. Our cab driver and shit, you feel me? Our cab driver, he had dropped us off over here, you feel me? He had to call the guy, like the Airbnb, and then they opened up this shit, and then they let us in. Boom, let us in right here. Boom. I was like, what? I said, Goodfellas. I said, Goodfellas. That's what I said, Goodfellas. Shit. Feel me? That's what I said. Goodfellas. So yeah, you feel me? It's nice in here though. Look, I can see the kitchen from the outside. See that? But yeah, y'all, so I'm gonna have some more content for y'all in a little bit. You feel me? I'm vibing out right now. You know, I got a little bit of jet lag and shit. But yeah, I'm gonna have some more content for y'all. We about to go grab some food. So I'm gonna show y'all like some different types of food they got out here and shit. Some different type of drinks, you know. And yeah. I'm gonna just enjoy the time I got with my brother, you know what I mean? Like, I'm gonna have some fun with my brothers, my family, you know, like, it's time to level up, it's time to get shit going. Yeah, so I'm out here in Panamá, I'm with my brother, you feel me? I'm with my older brother, I'm with my older cousin, you feel me? I'm with some family, you know, so we out here, we getting some work done, we getting some content for you guys, all right? So if you're new to the channel, you feel me? Leave a like, comment, and subscribe, you feel me? And enjoy.